Hi, this is Jillian. I want to give a shout out to one of our LinkedIn leaders today, and that is Jeff Young. Jeff Young is someone I have been following for a long time. We've gone from followers to connections to friends, and I don't know if a week goes by that Jeff and I are not in contact. He provides so much value. So let's get stuck in, and I'll show you what's so great about Jeff Young. So let's have a look at his headline. The LinkedIn Guru, and guru as in follow the guru, follow the teacher. He teaches, so that's what's so great about Jeff. He's a great network, volunteers. Jeff has nothing to sell. He just provides his information. He's retired. He loves to just share his knowledge of LinkedIn, so he is an incredible person to learn from. Look at his banner. I love his banner with his Superman, and he really is a Superman, and that is his superpower. His superpower is teaching others how to use LinkedIn. And look, he has offered already 200 free LinkedIn seminars in the last 3 years and counting. Pretty awesome stuff. We see that Jeff is based out of Columbus, Ohio, and everything he does right now is virtual. Let's kind of have a look, and we can see that Jeff has a huge number of followers. He's 35,000 plus, and he's incredibly active on LinkedIn. He is just always doing stuff, commenting and featuring other people. He has an incredible newsletter, so many different things. But I love Jeff's featured section, and this is a great one to highlight of what sort of things to put in your featured section. You can see he talks about his Guru Good News, here's his schedule of LinkedIn seminars. So if you want to get involved and go to one of Jeff's seminars, you can go here and you can just kind of comb through. Here's a video. I'm not biased, but it's an awesome video that he has, which is an introduction to Jeff. He features other people in his featured section, which is kind of novel. So here he is featuring Shelley Elsliger, who is a LinkedIn trainer out of Toronto, Canada. He's always got a tip of the week and so many different things. Just go through, you can see he has lots of great value in his featured section. Go through these. There's so much great stuff. His articles, his newsletters, just fabulous, fabulous stuff. And one thing I want to let you know about Jeff, if you pull up any of his posts, so let's go to one of his posts. So here we go. He loves GIFs. This man loves the GIFs. You're always going to see things flying across the screen because Jeff just loves the GIFs. So this is what's interesting about Jeff. He has his own branded hashtag on LinkedIn, which is hashtag the LinkedIn Guru. And if you click on that, it will take you to, you see that we have 703 people following that hashtag. So if you want to also be able to find everything that he uses with that hashtag, you can just go ahead and follow the hashtag by just clicking the following button. And because I'm a Google goddess, I want to give you a tip to go one step further and take that hashtag of Jeff's and go over and put it in a Google search. So let's go over to Google and put in that hashtag. And there we see that we have all sorts of great things about Jeff that go above and beyond LinkedIn. But one thing I especially want to send you to is this link, the LinkedInguru.fyi.to, because he's got all sorts of great stuff there. So if you go there, you'll see that he has his tip of the week and all sorts of great things and videos, and you can just go through and learn so much by just going through and learning all these different things. Jeff's been on podcasts, he's got videos here, he's got his articles here. So he's using this really as a mini website. This is a great, great resource. And if you click on the LinkedIn Guru, it just takes you right back to LinkedIn. So it's like one happy little circle. So Jeff Young is truly a LinkedIn leader. I suggest that you check him out, follow him. He's always got great LinkedIn content. And with Jeff, you'll always be learning something new.